हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम टू माय क्लास। आई नो वी आर डन आवर फर्स्ट फोर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 4.3 ऑफ क्लास 9 चैप्टर 4। ओके, तो अभी तक हमने काफ़ी सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर कर लिए हैं, लाइक व्हाट इज़ द सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ अ लीनियर इक्वेशंस। लीनियर इक्वेशंस क्या होती है, उनके सॉल्यूशंस क्या होते हैं, हाउ वी कैन ड्रॉ द ग्राफ्स ऑफ अ लीनियर इक्वेशन। ओके, तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग to solve next four questions of exercise 4.4, and these questions are very important because these are the word problems, and how we can convert a real life problem into a linear equation, and then how we can draw the graph of the linear equation. तो काफ़ी easy है, बिल्कुल भी घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि बेसिक्स है आपका क्लास 9th लीनियर इक्वेशंस का। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, तो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 4.3, तो क्वेश्चन दिया है आपको, देयर आर टू ग्राफ्स आर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड विच वन इज द करेक्ट लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑफ द ग्राफ। ओके, तो आई कैन ड्रॉ द फर्स्ट वन। तो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 द फर्स्ट ग्राफ इज लाइक दिस इज x axis, y axis, x dash, y dash, and look at the board. The graph is like this. This point is 0 0. This is the origin, and the first point is this is 1, and this is -1. That is, this point is 1 comma -1, and this is -1. This is 1. Then this point is -1 comma 1. Okay, these points are given. Say 2 3 4 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 -1 -2 -3 and this. So this is the graph, and you have four options there. The first option is y is equals to x. Second option is x plus y is equals to 0. Third option is y is equals to 2x, and fourth option is 2 plus 3y is equals to 7x, and you have to check which one of the linear equation is the correct option for this graph. As we know that all the points on the graph on a straight line is the solutions of the linear equation. Okay, तो अगर आपके पास यहाँ पे 3 पॉइंट्स गिवन है तो तीनों पॉइंट्स क्या है होने चाहिए, आपके सॉल्यूशन होने चाहिए। तो जिस भी किसी आपके लीनियर इक्वेशन को ये तीनों के तीनों पॉइंट सेटिस्फाई कर जाएंगे, वो उसका ग्राफ हो जाएगा। ओके, तो वी हैव गिवन पॉइंट्स, फर्स्ट वन इज -1, सेकेंड वन इज 0, एंड थर्ड वन इज 1, -1। ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी कैन चेक फॉर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन y is equals to x. For y is equals to x, for first point this is -1 equals to 1, not, that means it is not the correct option. The second one is x plus y is equals to 0. So we can check for -1, 1, that is -1 plus 1 equals to 0, that means 0 is equals to 0. The first point satisfies the equation. Okay, now come to the second one, 0, 0. So for 0, 0, x plus y is 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, that means 0 plus 0 equals to 0, that means second point is also satisfies the equation. Now come to the third one, 1 comma -1, this is 1 -1 equals to 0, this implies 0 is equals to 0. These all three points satisfies this equation, that means this is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the linear equation whose graph is this. Okay, so similarly you can solve the second question, the part 2 of question number 5. So you can do it by yourself. So just there are also the same type of question, 3 solutions are given. You can put the 3 solution in all the equation, which equation satisfies all the solutions. This is the correct answer. Okay, so now come to the question number 6. Now, in question number 6, we said if the work done by a body on an application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of a linear equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force is equals to 5 units. Also read the graph, the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. Okay, so look at here. The first one is, he said the constant force is 5 units. Okay, it is given. Let the work done by the object is y units and the distance traveled by the object or body is y units, x units. Okay, fine. So now look at the board. As we know that, as we read in science subject, work done is equals to the force into distance traveled. Okay, so we can use the formula of science subject here. So the work done is x units, the force is 5 units, and the distance traveled, the work done is y units, and this is x. So that is the given linear equation. So the linear equation is y minus 5x is equals to 0. Okay, so now we can draw the graph of this equation. So first we can find the two solutions. Okay, so for x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. Okay, we can draw x, y, this is 0, 0, and for x is equals to 1, y is equals to 5. Okay, you can put the value of x here, and you can take, for example, minus 1, the force is minus 5. Okay, so for x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 5. So these are the three solutions. Now we can draw the graph of this linear equation. Check it here. Say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, the first point is 0, 0. That is the origin. This is x, this is y, this is x dash, this is y dash. Okay, now second one is 1, 5. 1, 5 is here. And third point is minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5 is like here. So the graph of this linear equation is like this. Okay, this point is 1, 5. This point is 0, 0. This point is minus 1, minus 5. So this is the required graph of this linear equation. Now we know to check when the distance traveled, that means the x, when x is equals to 2, then what is the value of this? This is what upside, so this is 8, 9, this is 10. So the 2's graph is like this. तो ये आपका कहीं जाके इस तरीके से मीट करेगा. This point, this is 2, 10. So now y is equals to 10. So you can also check from the equation also. So at y is x equals to 10, y is 10. That means at 2 units distance, the work done is 10 units. And similarly when 0, तो y क्या है आपका 0. Okay, तो आपका work done when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. तो second क्या हो जाएगा, when x is equals to distance traveled is 0, the work done is 0. So now come to the question number 7. This is the question number 6. Okay, तो नोट करेंगे, वीडियो को पॉज कर सकते हैं आप. ठीक है. Now question number 7. Look at the board. It is the easiest question. In question number 7, there are two students, Yamini and Fatima. Together contribute ₹100 towards a Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data. So let the contribution of Yamini is rupees X, okay, and let the contribution of Fatima is rupees Y, okay. तो देखिए आपको ना तो ये पता है कि हमने यामिनी ने कितने पैसे दिए, ना हमें ये पता है कि फातिमा ने कितने पैसे दिए, बट हमें ये पता है कि दोनों ने मिला के कितने रुपीस पे किए हैं, रिलीफ फंड में 100 रुपीज़ का कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है। तो हमें नहीं पता, तो जो चीज़ हमें नहीं पता होती वो क्या हो जाती है बच्चों, वेरिएबल हो जाती है। तो एक को हमने मान लिया x का कंट्रीब्यूशन x और दूसरी का कंट्रीब्यूशन हमने मान लिया y, ओके। तो एज वी नो दैट टोटल कंट्रीब्यूशन is rupees 100. The total contribution is x plus y. That means x plus y is equals to 100. This is the required linear equation. And now we have to draw the graph of this linear equation. So now we have, so here I can find the solutions. So this is x plus y is equals to 100. So we have a box like this is x, this is y. At x is equals to 50, y is equals to 50. Let x is equals to 50. That means 50 plus y is equals to 100, or y is equals to 100 minus 50, that is 50. Or we can also check for another value like x is equals to 30. Now 30 plus y is equals to 100. That means y is equals to 100 minus 30. That means y is equals to 70. That is 70. Only 2 points are required at least for the making a graph. Okay, so now I can draw the graph. So the important thing is here the units. First I can describe the units of the, so first you can write the scale. As we know that 1 centimeter on x-axis, the each box in a graph paper of length 1 centimeter means on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units, and on y-axis also 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units. Why? Because we can take 10 units difference to make a graph. 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, similarly here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60. Similarly minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40 and so on. Okay. So first you can describe the scale always. Okay. So the first point is 50, 50. So 50, 50 like here. Second one is 30, 70 like this. Okay. So if you can extend the graph in both ways, the graph will be like this. Okay. So this is 30, 70 and this one is 50, 50. Okay. तो आप जब अपना चेक करेंगे तो ये पॉइंट आएगा आपका 100 पे कट करेगा और यहाँ पर भी 100 पे कट करेगा, बिकॉज व्हेन यू टेक x इज इक्वल्स टू 0, y इज इक्वल्स टू 100 एंड व्हेन यू कैन टेक y इज इक्वल्स टू 0, x इज इक्वल्स टू 100. तो आप ऐसे चेक भी कर सकते हैं कि आपका x एक्सिस पे कहाँ पे कट कर रहा है और y एक्सिस पे कहाँ पे कट कर रहा है. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा प्रॉपर ग्राफ. Okay, so this is the question number 7. Now come to question number 8. It is very important because it has 5 options. So now let us start. I can rub it, note it down and make notes. The notes are very important. So now in question number 8. Okay, in question number 8, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. I know that. Whereas in countries in India, we are calculate the temperature in Celsius. So here is a linear equation that converts the Fahrenheit to calculus. So linear equation is F is equals to 9 by 5 of C plus 32. Here C is calculus, Celsius sorry, and F is Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is the linear equation. So there are two ways. First we can convert it into a linear equation like ax plus by is equals to plus c equals to 0. So yes, you can take LCM here. So 5 is equals to 9c plus 32, 5 upon 32 into 5. This is 160 divided by 5. So you can multiply it here, is equals to 9c plus 160. This is 5f minus 9c is equals to 160. So this is the linear equation. Okay, हमने थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया ताकि हमारे को थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाए. तो फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ द लीनियर इक्वेशन above using Celsius as x and Fahrenheit as y. So if we can take, let f is equals to y and c is equals to x. So the equation is 5y minus 9x is equals to 160, and then we can draw the graph. Okay, so now we can draw the graph. First we can find the three solutions or two solutions. Let x is equals to 10. Okay, when x is equals to 10, 5y minus 90 is equals to 160. Then 5y is equals to 160 plus 90, that is 250, and y is equals to 250 divided by 5, that is 50. That means if we can draw the box, that is x or y, when x is equals to 10, y is equals to 50. The first solution. Now I can take the second one. What we will take, let x is equals to minus 10. Okay, so this is 5y plus 90 is equals to 160. Okay, and plus 90 की जगह हम कहते हैं minus 20. So this is plus 180. It is more easier. Then 5y is equal to 160 minus 180. That is 5y is equals to minus 20 or y is equals to minus 4. Okay. तो काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी वैल्यूज आ रही हैं. चलिए कोई बात नहीं. तो फर्स्ट वी कैन ड्रॉ द ग्राफ. तो आई कैन टेक this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50. Okay, similarly minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Similarly minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40 and this is 0. Okay, तो स्केल क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? x एक्सिस पे 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 यूनिट्स अगेन, एंड ऑन y एक्सिस 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 यूनिट्स. राइट, इजी है. अब देखिए पहला क्या था हमारा, दिस इज माइनस 20 कोमा माइनस 4, तो दिस इज 10 कोमा 50, 10 कोमा 50, दिस इज द करेक्ट. एंड सेकेंड वन इज माइनस 20 कोमा माइनस 4, दिस इज 5, तो इससे थोड़ा सा नीचे रहेगा, लाइक हियर. करेक्ट. यू कैन ड्रॉ द ग्राफ. दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस इज माइनस 20 comma minus 4 and this is 10 comma 50. Okay, so this is the graph of the linear equation. This is the first solution. And come to the second one. If the temperature is 30 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So now we have in second one F minus 9C is equals to 160. When FC is equals to 30 degree, that means 5F minus 270 is equals to 160. That is 5F is equals to, इसको आप इधर ले जाएंगे, 260 plus this is 430. Okay, F is equals to 430 divided by 5. This is 4 at the 5 at the 40. This is 86 Fahrenheit. Okay, it is the easiest one. Now come to the third one. So I can rub this. आई होप यू ऑल कैन नोट इट डाउन. अगर आपने नोट नहीं किया है तो वीडियो को पॉज करके आप नोट कर सकते हैं. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड पार्ट. तो द इक्वेशन इज 5F minus 9C is equals to 160. तो इफ टेम्परेचर इज 95 Fahrenheit, दैट मीन्स इफ व्हेन F is 95 Fahrenheit. ओके, तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका this is 5 into 95 minus 9c is equals to 160. So 5 into 5, this is 25. This is 475 minus 9c is equals to 160. This is minus 9c is equals to 160 minus 475. So this is 15 and this is 3. 315 9c minus will be cancelled by minus. 315 divided by 9. This is 3 and 5. So this is 35 degree. Okay, so Celsius is in 35 degree. So this is the third answer. Now come to the fourth one. If the temperature is 0 degree, what is the temperature of in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature of 0 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in degree? So fourth one is, if F is equals to 0, then 9 into 5 into F minus 9C is equals to 160 degree. That means 9C is minus 160 divided by 9. तो इसको आप कैंसिल आउट कर लीजिएगा, जितना भी आएगा वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, फ़ारेनहाइट में हो जाएगा. तो इसका आप 2 पॉइंट्स तक डेसिमल्स तक वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो कर देते हैं. 9 1 जा 9, 70, 9 7 जा 63, again 7, this is 9 7 जा 63 and 9 7 जा 63. So this is 17.77777 degree Celsius. And when C is equals to 0, that means 5F minus 9 into 0 is equals to 160 degree. You can put the value in this equation. So now 5F is equals to 160 degree. So now F is equals to 160 divided by 5. This is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So that means when C is equals to 0, F is 32. Okay. So these are the first, second and fourth. Now come to the fifth part. So now in fifth part, the fifth part says, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So when we have to find if F is equals to C, that means we can put the value of F is equals to C or C is equals to F. That means 9F minus 9C is equals to 160 degree. So now 9F, F is equals to 160. This is minus 4F is equals to 160. That means minus 40 degree. Okay. So when at minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, the minus 40 degree angle Celsius is same. That means when Celsius is equals to Fahrenheit at minus 40 degree. So minus 40 degree temperature of in Celsius and minus 40 degree in Fahrenheit, both the same temperature. Okay. So these are the 5 important questions of question number 9, question number 8, and this is the last question of our exercise. I hope all of you can understand the concept and the questions and the solutions of the questions. If you have any query, please write your query in the comment. I will solve it and make a new video on your query and post it on my YouTube channel. Okay, तो all the best, keep practicing. मिलते हैं फिर next video में.